Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's lesson is about rounding of number to given a degree of accuracy. So we are going to learn at how to round off a number up to 3 decimal places and up to maximum 3 significant figures. And then we are also going to look at how to round a number to the nearest 10, hundreds, or 1000 or 10,000. So let's start with our today's lesson. Now, the basic rule that you have to keep in your mind is that if the digit to be dropped is 5 or more than 5, we will increase the preceding digit, means the last digit, by 1. And if the digit to be dropped is 4 or less than that, we will not increase the preceding or the last digit. So let's have a look at what digit is the digit to be dropped by having and discussing some examples. Now, a few examples are given here. If you look at part A here in this example, first example, where we got 6.7584 and we are required to round this number to 1 decimal place. So this means that we need to have our answer till this only. We just need one digit after the decimal. Now this means that this digit 5 is the digit to be dropped, and we also do not need the digits which are coming after this digit 5. And now this is digit 5 is the digit to be dropped. As it is 5, so this will increase its preceding digit by 1. So the answer to part A is going to be 6.8. So this way we have rounded the given number correct to 1 decimal place. So once again, you have to look at the digit to be dropped. If it is 5 or more than 5, it will increase the last digit by 1. So this number will become 6.8. Now let's have a look at example B. We have taken the same number here, 6.7584, but for this case we have to round this number correct to 2 decimal places. So by 2 decimal places, we mean that we need to have only 2 digits after the decimal in our answer. So this means that we just need this part of the number. So this means that 8 is the digit to be dropped. We do not need that because we just need to have 2 digits after the decimal. And as once again it's more than 4, means it's 8, so this will increase its preceding or the last digit by 1. So this way this will become 6.76. So you can see that we have rounded the given number in part A correct to 2 decimal places. In our answer, we just have 2 digits after the decimal. So we have done with the rounding of this number according to the given condition. Now let's have a look at C part. In this part, we have to round the same number correct to 3 decimal places. This means that we just need to have 3 digits after the decimal. This means that this 4 is the digit to be dropped. We do not need this. As it is less than 5, it is 4. So according to the rule, this is not going to give any increase to its preceding digit or the last digit. So its answer is going to be 6.758. So this is our answer to this part. We have rounded this given number correct to 3 decimal places. So now let's have a look at how to round a given number to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, to the nearest 1000, and to the nearest 10,000. Now for part A, if you look at part A, we got a number 7,542. We have to round this number to the nearest 10. Now whenever you have to round a number to the nearest 10, you have to look at unit place digit. If the unit place digit is 5 or more than 5, you will increase the preceding digit by 1. So in this case, the digit to be dropped is 2. So it is less than 4. So this will not give any increase to its preceding digit, which is 4. So this means this will become 7,540. The digit to be dropped itself will become 0 when you round off the given number. So this way we have rounded this number correct to the nearest tens. Now let's have a look at example B, where we got a number 69,462. We have to round this number to the nearest 100. In case of rounding a number to the nearest 100, you have to look at the digit which is at tens place. So in this case, the digit which is at tens place is 6. So as it is more than 4 means it is 6. If the digit to be dropped is 5, 6 according to the rule, or more than that, we will increase the preceding digit by 1. So this way the answer to this question will become 69,500, as this digit which is the digit to be dropped, that was more than 4, it is 6 here, so this has increased the preceding digit which was 4 as 5, so this number becomes 69,500. In the same way, if you have to go for rounding a number to the nearest 1000, you have to look at the digit which is at hundreds place. So in this part C, 7 is at hundreds place in this figure. So as it is more than 4, so according to the rule, this will give one increase to its preceding digit. So this means this will become 86,000 and 80,000. So this way we have learned how to round a given number to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, to the nearest 1000, and to the nearest 10,000. Now let's go for rounding of a number to given number of significant figures. So let's have a look at part A, in which we have to round this number to one significant figure. Right now this figure contains 4 significant figures. Now by one significant figure, we mean that we just need to have only one non-zero digit from the left side. So this means that we just need this digit 5 as a non-zero digit in our answer, and rest of the numbers as 0. So this means 7, the next digit, is the digit to be dropped, and according to the rule, as it is more than 4, so this will give one increase to its preceding digit. So this figure will become 6,000 when this is rounded to the nearest or to one significant figure. Now let's have a look at this example B, where we got 8,746 and we are required to round this number to 2 significant figures. So this means that starting from left side, we just need 2 non-zero digits in our answer and rest of the digits as zeros. So this means 4 is the digit to be dropped in this case, and as it is 4, so this will not give any increase to its preceding digit, so this will become 8,700. So in this way we have rounded the given number to 2 significant figures. This means that in our answer we just have 2 non-zero digits, 8 and 7, and rest of the digits are 0. Now let's have a look at part C. 10.658, we have to round this number to 3 significant figures. So this means that starting from left hand side, we just need to have 3 digits in our answer. So this means 5 is the digit to be dropped in this case. So this way, if we round this number to 3 significant figures, 5 is the digit to be dropped, and this will increase its preceding digit by 1. So this will become 10.7. Now let's have a look at the last example here, 0.0457. Right now this figure contains 3 significant figures only, because we know that whenever a number or a figure starts from 0 point something, so we do not include those zeros as significant digits. So this means that right now this figure contains 3 significant figures and we just need to have only 2 significant figures in our answer. So this means 7 is the digit to be dropped, and as it is more than 4, so this is going to become 0.04 and 6. So this is our answer to this part. Right now we have only 2 significant figures in our answer. So this is how we have rounded the given numbers to 1 significant figure, 2 significant figure, and 3 significant figures. Hope you got the concept. Now here is your homework. I'm going to upload a quiz related to rounding of numbers to given number of a degree in your Google Classroom, and you need to attempt that and you need to submit that. Secondly, if you want to have some more reinforcement, I have given a reference of a web link here. You can further explore this concept on this web link for your reinforcement. So take care. Allah Hafiz everyone.